Hey chicks. Wow, that's in frame. Hey chicken nuggets, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bella. If you don't know me right. Okay, that wasn't my usual intro. So, hey chicken nuggets, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe, like, if you want to, and go to my Instagram story and follow me while you're there. And there'll be a thing saying what you want to see, like vlogs, Q&As or whatever. And if you want to shout out, so that'll be it. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of the Sweet Like Candy by Ariana Grande. So you may be like, Belle, this came out ages ago. I know. I've just wanted it for ages, and I've been tempted. I'm like, but it's my holy grail. I've had this for like 5 years this Christmas. So I just have this little perfume by Justin Bieber. It smells amazing. I got that in the gift set, but I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it, but I've been eyeing it off for ages, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna love it. So let's go get a thumbnail. Oh wait. Okay, we'll see which one looks better, but I think we got it. Wait. Okay, we're good. Okay, let's unbox it. I got this at Chemist Warehouse, and this is the 30 mils. And it was actually super cheap. It's like $25. So, very affordable, I shall say. Okay. So I'm probably going to bring my camera a little closer. Well, I'm actually filming on my phone today. Okay. Okay. Yep. No hard feelings. What am I supposed to use? Okay. I'm going to sit down on my floor. I had to clean my room. Does it look like that? So, or I might go down here for the thumbnail actually. So, okay, I should have definitely get out of the way. Okay, so let's get started. I'm so happy. Can I just say, I just finished filming the video 25 minutes ago, roughly. I look like a psychopath. So excited. I know this probably isn't an essential item, but like, since all the restrictions are gone, I'm like, sorry. Okay, so here's the box. Okay, so excited. Okay. Oh. Okay, let's open it. So as you can see, it just has a little signature Ari and the Sweet Like Candy. It just says that, and it has all the things on the back, and then it has Ariana, the queen herself. Oh, my mom's home. That's okay though. Okay, I can smell it. Oh my gosh, look how cute it is. Like, the box is way too big for it, but like, so cute. Oh my gosh, oh, smells so good. Let's give it a good little spray. Okay. Oh, it smells so nice. It's like so sweet and girly. It smells very young, like for young people. But again, older people can obviously wear this perfume. It's not just for younger people, but it's okay. So I'm like super sorry that my head was like always down. Okay. My face has been like really dry lately. I think I'm getting a rash or something, or sunburn. It's amazing. Packaging looks amazing. And definitely a holy grail. If you're wondering where I got this, it's just Chemist Warehouse. So I'm going to pop it back in the box and I'm going to give you my final thought on it. So I thought it's an amazing, it smells amazing. First of all, it smells amazing. Packaging, 15 out of 10, or a million out of 10. It's just amazing. And very affordable, I shall say. Oh, okay. But super amazing. Cute packaging, box-wise and perfume-wise. Definitely recommend. And I have this random stuff. But that's okay. Love you all so much. Bye.